Today I'm gonna show you how to make jerk chicken. So we're gonna use 5 chicken leg cut up, 3 teaspoons of garlic, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 3 teaspoons of ginger, 3 teaspoons of jerk season, 3/4 cup of yogurt, half teaspoon of Tandoori Masala for color. So to prepare this, we're gonna start mixing the ingredients into the yogurt. We're gonna drop in the half teaspoon of ground pepper, 3 teaspoons of garlic, 3 teaspoons of ginger. Stir this together, mix it up very thoroughly. We're gonna start beating the yogurt. We're gonna add 3 teaspoons of jerk season. Next, we're gonna add half teaspoon of Tandoori Masala for the color for the chicken. So we're gonna start to mix this up very thoroughly. So this is what it looks like after finish mixing. So the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate this chicken with these ingredients we mixed up with the yogurt. We're gonna start to add it in. So now that we poured our seasoning into our chicken, we're gonna mix it up. So now we're gonna cover this, refrigerate it, and leave it to marinate for 2 hours. So this is what my chicken looks like after marinating for 2 hours. So I'm gonna bake this jerk chicken for 1 hour at 350°F. So now I'm gonna put my another side chicken to bake for 1 hour at 350°. So now that our chicken is finished baking from the oven for 1 hour, we're gonna take it out, show you what it looks like. This is what our chicken looks like after baking from the oven for 1 hour. It smells so good. So you may serve this jerk chicken with some nice Guyanese fried rice. Make sure you subscribe to see more video just like this one.